Fresh from completing 9 continuation series examples of the XKSS, Jaguar is turning its attention to another notable gap in its production history, finishing up that 100-car run of the D-Type race car. Jaguar will build 25 new examples of the D-Type 62 years after the last example of the breed rolled out of the factory. The D-Type is best known for winning the 24 Hours of Le Mans 3 times between 1955 and 1957, and Jaguar Land Rover Classic plans to hand-build these 6-cylinder engine race cars based on the original engineering drawings and records. In short nose and long nose form, Jaguar showed off the first engineering prototype at the annual Salon Retromobile in Paris, previewing the full 25-car run to be completed. The Jaguar D Type is one of the most iconic and beautiful competition cars of all time, with an outstanding record in the world's toughest motor races, said Tim Hennig, Jaguar Land Rover Classic director. And it just as spectacular today. The opportunity to continue the D-Type success story, by completing its planned production run in Coventry, is one of those once-in-a-lifetime projects that our world-class experts at Jaguar Land Rover Classic are proud to fulfill. We saw an XKSS continuation car up close at the Browns Lane factory just over a year ago, when Jaguar Land Rover Classic began the process of building the 9-car run. The automaker's Classic division had taken 3D measurements of the existing cars as part of its engineering and assembly effort. The engineers found that no two cars were exactly alike, and each possessed unique details and handling characteristics. Jaguar spent quite a bit of time examining the surviving examples in order to correctly replicate the cars and the materials, paying special attention to the original construction methods that were available to the Jaguar craftsmen at the time. The XKSS continuation cars were the second such effort for Jaguar Land Rover Classic after a run of 6 lightweight E-Types, so the division is certainly gaining experience in restarting the production of half-century-old cars.